Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Jeep Grand Cherokee headlight. First, let's prepare for the task. You'll need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. The initial step involves carefully removing the front bumper cover, which is crucial for gaining full access to the headlight assembly. With your tools ready, proceed to remove the numerous fastening screws and push clips that secure the front bumper cover. Once all fasteners are out, gently pull the bumper away, disconnecting any electrical connectors for parking sensors if present. Next, locate and remove the three 10mm bolts that firmly hold the entire headlight assembly to the vehicle's frame. Now, disconnect the main electrical connector from the back of the old headlight assembly. If your vehicle has headlight washers, also detach the washer fluid hose. With everything disconnected, carefully pull the old headlight assembly straight out. To install the new one, align it precisely with the mounting points and push it firmly until it seats correctly. Once the new headlight is seated, reinstall the three 10mm bolts to secure it. Don't forget to reconnect all electrical connectors and any washer fluid hoses. Finally, carefully reattach the front bumper cover, making sure all push clips and screws are properly fastened. Test your new headlight to confirm it functions correctly before driving, ensuring optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.